Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss a question on sampling. So this question on sampling is a box contains 10 balls of which 7 are red and 3 are blue. 2 balls are picked or drawn at random find the probability neither of them are white. With, or I'll say, sampling with replacement and sampling without replacement. So we have a set or container of 10 balls. Let's say this is a container of 10 balls of which 7 are red and 3 are blue. Right? So number 1, with replacement. So 2 balls are drawn at random. Then with replacement, what is the probability of getting a probability that neither of them are white? Neither of them are white means both of them have to be red. If not white, then it is going to be red because we have only 2 colors of ball. So getting a red in first trial, let's say first trial, red 1. This will be 7 ball out of 7 plus 3. So this is 7 by 10. And now that we are replacing it back, like when we took this ball out, we were left with 7, or I'll say 6 red and 3 white ball, so that we are going to pick the next ball. But what we did is we are returning this red ball back to the container or back to the population. So again we are left with the same situation, 7 red and 3 blue. So getting a red ball in second trial will be still 7 by 10. So what we need is 2 reds, that is probability of red 1 intersection red 2. And now is the understanding that taking out a ball from the container is independent. The trials are independent. So this is going to be 7 by 10 into 7 by 10, which is going to be 0.49. And secondly, second case is when we are doing sampling without replacement. So that is like initially there were 7 red and 3 blue balls. Probability of getting a red was 7 by 10. So we took out one red ball and we are left with 6 red and 3 blue balls. Getting a red ball in this term is actually 6 by 9. The total number of balls has reduced, the number of red ball has also reduced. So in this case, probability of getting red 1 and red 2 will be 7 by 10 into 6 by 9, which will be approximately 0.4667.